Stay right there. Stay right
It's
there.
okay.
What? Need what?
Don't worry, I got a glove, Mommy.
Okay, hold my hand. Let's go.
I'm gonna carefully touch it with my right hand because I got a cleaning glove on.
What is it, honey? What is it?
I don't really. Can you guys back up? You're like
Okay.
freaking
All right. What on earth is that? Do you want me to hold the bird so he doesn't... Do you want me to hold his wings down so he doesn't try to escape?
He is like slow and lethargic because this has been on there so long.
Okay. You come stand right here. Don't move. Don't move. You understand me? Do not move. Walk around, and the guy couldn't open his mouth, so...
All right, we're gonna go take him
Okay.
to the retention
Are you
pond.
taking her with you?
Yeah. You want to
Okay.
go with me to the retention pond?
Oh, look at him under the water. He's looking for food.
See, look, now he's swimming around. What's up, guys? How you doing? Good. How about you guys?
Well, what y'all releasing over there?